Hi guys, Mortgage Mark. Let's talk about just things you should be asking when you interview lenders for a potential loan. So for me, you got to know, like, and trust them, right? You don't know these people yet, so let's get to like them and then let's trust them. And I think the trust is the biggest piece. So let's get to know them. Ask them all about their professional world, right? How long you've been doing this? Where did you start in your career? If you've been doing this for many, many, many years, what's different now compared to when it was? Meaning, are you a manager now? How involved are you on the file? So for example, I don't do every single thing in the file, nor do you want me to do that, by the way. There are people better than me doing all that paperwork. Did I do it in my career? Yes, absolutely. And 10 years ago, I was great at it. Now I'm just not in the minutia of the everyday. So, and that's good, by the way. But ask them, is that what you want? Are they, what's their team like? What's the file flow? Does it leave their office? So in my world, everything stays here within like a 25-foot radius of my office, where it's everybody touching the files right here in these walls. That's a good thing in my opinion. Does it matter to you? I don't know. Where's underwriting? What kind of conditions do they have? How many conditions are typically coming out? So you can at least brace yourself to where if you're getting this barrage of paperwork requests 3 weeks after you start the process, you're not going to freak out. How do they fund their loans? Is it with their money, or are they brokering it? If it's with their money and their mortgage bankers, how quick, once you sign, does it go to actual funding? And then guys, get to know them as people, right? So for me, I've been married, I got a beautiful wife, we met at college at UT, I got 2 amazing, wonderful daughters. We play all the typical sports that you would play when you're a little kid. And so again, there's a lot of things where that commonality may happen. If somebody's an avid fly fisherman, or if they really like the local sports team like the Cowboys or whatever it may be, maybe that's your piece to where you guys can connect. But find somebody you trust as a person who has your best interest at heart, that you know is going to give you a very good and competitive deal. Because that's really what you're looking for. A loan that is structured properly with a very competitive rate. Doesn't have to be the lowest, doesn't have to be the lowest cost, just really good. You just want to make sure you're not getting hosed. That's my opinion. So with all that said, guys, if you have questions, if you are comparing us, there's a whole nother section about how to compare lenders as far as fees, rates, and cost. That is important. I don't want to minimize that. But at the end of the day, pick somebody you know is going to do a good job for you and take care of you and your family. Call us if you have any questions.